DUI is a very unique charge and very unique crime. Most people don't know when they're committing a DUI. The legal standard is known to be a .08. That's on the highways, on the signs. But what people don't know is that the prosecutor's office will file a charge down to a .04. There's also another aspect of DUI which has nothing to do with the breath test. It's just driving while affected by alcohol. So people can go out to have dinner with loved ones and friends, and then they can drive home and they can maybe be committing a DUI, maybe not. Sometimes it's up to the police officer. So they might have no idea, but the police officer makes that determination, and that's one of the problems we have in court is people don't think they committed a DUI, but the police officer thinks they did. DUI is an extremely common charge. 45,000 is the number that has been posted by the courts for years and years. That number has gone down. We're down below 30,000 cases a year filed by the prosecutor's offices across Washington state. But it's an extremely common charge. Good people go out and they have dinner with loved ones and they drink and then they drive home, and sometimes they get scooped up. Many people come in or they call after recently being arrested for DUI and they feel hopeless. They feel like there's so much evidence against them. The field sobriety tests, the breath test at the station, and the officer's representations of their driving. But there are a lot of defenses that can be applied. Those defenses focus on how the officer administered the field sobriety test and what was the environment that he did that in. The breath test procedures are often not followed. The breath test itself, the machine is old and aging, and there's a new machine coming. The State Patrol has been using this machine since 1985, and it's an ancient machine that doesn't even have replacement parts anymore. Just because you feel hopeless and there's a lot of evidence that you feel that you're facing does not mean that it's hopeless. We can do amazing things with what you feel is an overwhelming prosecutorial amount of evidence.